Can you hear that birds chirping? I'm in my backyard. What can you do during quarantine time? At the height of it, I thought of converting a vacant lot to a vegetable patch using makeshift squares. So here you can see I have formed 5 squares as a raised bedding, and I use just the scrap polycarbonate because that's the one that I have in the trash. Then I started planting the seedlings in the tray, and then now I transplanted them here in my beddings. What else? I planted this ube, and this is the best time to grow ube so that by Christmas season you have something for your feast. Okay, now what else did I plant? Okay, remember I told you about survival plants? Cassava is one of them because you can eat the root crop, you can eat the shoots or the young leaves, and sustain the land with this. So I planted last summer during the height of quarantine, and this is just one of them. Look at the many cassava. They are all spread out in my vacant lot, which is not even mine. But who cares? Look at them, they're all thriving. What else did I plant? Remember I planted this survival tree, banana. So in the rain, it's being fed. I don't have to water them. I just mulch it with cut grass there. Then what else did I plant? Another survival plant. That's gabi. Gabi. Everywhere there's gabi. Okay, let's look here. Another survival plant that I planted. I have 10 of these all spread in this field. There, papaya, which is actually a superfood. Now you see this stick. I just stick it out there. And that's malunggay being fed by rainwaters. And 3 weeks time it would form its young leaves there, cut from my old malunggay tree. So I have 4 of these planted and stuck in the ground. Okay. So start planting and start harvesting in a little time. That's my message. I hope we start a nice revolution of growing our own food ourselves. Bye.